Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand minimum Hamming distance for error correction. The concept of minimum Hamming distance for error detection, minimum Hamming distance, block coding, all these basic concepts which are related to this concept has already been discussed in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this class, how a minimum Hamming distance will help us in correcting the codes. It is going to decide, so the minimum Hamming distance is going to decide the number of bits that can be corrected. So the number of error bits that can be corrected within the coding scheme can be decided by using the minimum Hamming distance. So how it is going to happen, that we will try to understand. The number of error bits a coding scheme can correct. So this is the coding scheme in the sense which is going to have a 2-bit data word and a 5-bit code word and a minimum Hamming distance of 3. So these are the parameters which are going to decide the coding scheme. So with these parameters, this is the coding scheme that we have. With these parameters, the number of error bits this coding scheme can correct perfectly is with a minimum Hamming distance of d. With a minimum Hamming distance of d is d minus 1 by 2. So with the minimum Hamming distance of 3, the number of bits this coding scheme can correct is d minus 1 by 2. For example, if the value of d is 3 here, it is 3 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1. 3 minus 1, 2 by 2 is 1. So 1 bit, if an error has occurred in 1 bit, then it can be easily corrected. So this is how the minimum Hamming distance is going to decide the number of bits that can be corrected. Let's try to elaborate this, how we are going to decide that. So this for example, here 1 bit error has been occurred, and this is the code for, so here the code is 01011. So in our above table it is representing 01. So here this bit has been changed to 0. So this is the bit, code word that has been transmitted to the receiver. So we are going to compare each and every valid code word with this code word that has been received. So here the number of Hamming distance is 2, Hamming distance is 1, 3, and for this the Hamming distance is 4. So with a minimum Hamming distance of 1, so which means that one error has been occurred. So this is what the minimum Hamming distance is 1 for this code. So we can correct the code word with an error of 1. So with an error of 1 we can correct. So we can correct this code word to this code word, and the data word is 01 that can be transmitted to the receiver if only one error. If 2 errors means this is the scenario. Here the error is 0 has been converted to 1 and 1 has been converted to 1. 1 has been converted to 0. So the code word for this is 01011, and in this the error that has been occurred at these 2 bits, it is 101. So now with the 2 words, see here the minimum Hamming distance is 3, the minimum Hamming distance is 3, and here it is 2. So which one has to be chosen? So whether to choose this code or this code. So with 2-bit errors, and in some cases we are going to get a minimum Hamming distance of 1 also, but it is going to detect an unrelated code. So with an error of 1, with an error of 1-bit error, with 1-bit error we can easily correct for this coding scheme. Okay, so this is how the minimum Hamming distance will help for error correction. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol, and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.